G'day there, my name is Stuart Bott and this is my assignment 4, Project Reflection. So the synthesis of what I've learnt from assignment 2. So my group decided to focus on learning strategies and broke it down into independent learning, adaptive technology and project-based learning. So we decided to use Google Slides to present our research. So my focus question was, what are the best practices for producing, disseminating and using digital educational content with project-based learning strategies? The synthesis of what I learned is the different aspects of learning strategies that my peers decided to research. So learning strategies is quite a broad area, and we were all looking at learning strategies that involve technology, but still there was many aspects to that. So we all went about our own research way, so to speak, and we're finding information to bring back to add to the website. So 3 brains are better than 1. Essentially that means we're all researching and 3 researchers are going to find a lot more information than 1 researcher. But it's also about finding different resources, websites, references, and bringing all that back to our website. So there's going to be a lot more information there. The collaboration and cooperation achieves better results. So by collaborating with each other and cooperating in how we were going to do things and how we're going to present our website, essentially we're going to get a lot better results, and as a team we're going to be stronger and a lot more staunch. So the collaboration is we were emailing and texting each other and just seeing how we were going, what we were doing, giving help and tips to each other in navigating around Google Sites. So essentially working together, we did a better job, I believe, than one person by themselves. So the research gave me new knowledge and also a lot of insights which I think I can incorporate into my classroom. So my focus was project-based learning. I have researched it, I've heard about it before, I read a lot about it, but I haven't actually used project-based learning in my classroom, but I do see the benefits and it's definitely something I'd love to do. I definitely need some more, I believe, research and definitely confidence to take something up like that with my class, but it's something I think I'd like to do. We're doing social studies and we're looking at the American Revolution. So we have a guiding question, which is what is worth fighting for. So I've been kind of looking at that and how could I incorporate that into a project-based learning where they would be kind of looking into their own lives and what would be worth fighting for their own lives, so to speak. So I've got some aspects of it I'd like to incorporate, but I'm still not 100% confident in doing so. And I've just put synthesizing all the information makes me a stronger educator. From reading what my peers have put into the website has given me a great more knowledge and something to think about of how I can become a better educator with my students. So this is my part of the website and I did project-based learning. So essentially I just broke it down into these sub-pages and it's something that we all did, and I think it turned out pretty good. We got a lot of information, but we've broken it down and we've got our references, or I did this page of further reading, so anyone who is interested could go into there and look up more information. My takeaways from this is to utilize Google Sites in the future. I think it was relatively easy to navigate around. I believe my Year 5 students would be able to do so. to be able to work in a group and synthesize information. It's the first time I've done group work in this degree, but it was a pretty enjoyable thing to do. You can get some great help and knowledge and insights from your peers. And also to me, the biggest thing is to take away what I've learned and try to utilize that within my teaching. And just lastly, I'd just like to thank my group members, Zach Selvia and Jamie Pollocky. They did some really good work and gave me some great insights and information, and I'm grateful for that. Okay, thank you. Bye.